Hello everyone, welcome to Elliot Master Live Trading Channel. My name is Philippe and I'm the trader in this channel. If you are new to the channel, please hit subscribe, click on the little bell so you can get a notification of when I'm live so you can follow my trades. So this is a recap of November and outlook for December. Overall, November was a great month if we take into consideration the amount of days that we traded. We only chose to trade 10 days. That's because of the election week, which was a mess, holiday week last week, low volume, and then I also have a trading rule that if the market is below, if it's negative 20 or positive 20, the opposite side, I don't trade. I think that it just becomes too volatile that the market wants to correct, and you don't know if it's going to go for higher highs or lower lows. It's going to make new lows, new highs, or it's just going to be choppy. So that is a rule that I follow, and it works very well for me. You don't have to trade every day. You know, it's if you're doing well, it's better for you to trade more contracts if you can afford it, then trade every day. So if you could do well, but first you need to practice, right? So if you could do well with one contract, then you could do well with 2, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so it's not the amount of trades or the amount of days that you trade. That said, we took 10 trades. We were negative 3 days and positive 10 days out of 10 trading days. So 70%. That's not bad. I would have wished I would have ended up with $3,000, but I made some mistakes today. Today was the day to end the month with $3,000, but I did not move my stop to cover profits, and that was my issue today. I had a couple of times that I was up $800, a couple of times that I was up $400, and then my last trade I moved my stop to entry and got taken out, and the market went back on my correction, and it just reached target. I could have made $1,400. So these are the issues that I had, but overall I'm very happy. I ended up the month with 1,470 in gold. I can't complain. It's not if you have even if it's $1, that is a positive month or positive day. And that's how I look at it, and that's how everyone should look at it. Should always look at it as the glass is half full, not half empty. So that's November. I'm happy. Now December. So at the end of last month, I talked about if we reach this area, if the market dropped anywhere below 1860, that the market was going to start a full correction. It looks like it's on its way. Don't know if it's going to reach it yet, but I think that it will stop. I think that it won't go any lower than 1725. So I'm not a investor, so I don't need to think about where the market is going to go, because I'm a scalper. I'm a day trader, so I don't have to worry about that. But overall, that affects the market and how the market moves. So I'm seeing that it will probably go a little lower and bounce back up, unless we have a meltdown in the economy or because it seems like gold is following every other market. It doesn't. It's not really being hedged. It looked like it was being hedged at the beginning of COVID when everything else dropped. Gold went up, but then all of the other markets made a comeback and started to go up, and gold started to go up also, or stay at least sideways. So right now it looks like it's doing a correction, but on the day trading aspect, when you're trading live, it's moving with the other markets. It looks like it's moving. It looks like it's making its move on the overnight. So that could be a manipulated market. I always say that the easiest way to move a market is on the after market, the after hours, because of low volume. That's what I've been seeing. Okay, so I'll look for the December is that we'll probably look at a bounce of at 1727, and then we'll start working our way up. So we try to be on the right side of the trend, so we will try to do that. So today we were on the right side of the trend, but we made some mistakes, but it's all good. All right, I'm going on here. There's nothing else I could really say. As far as November, I already talked about that. As far as December, that's what I see. I see it bounce off of this area here. I think all of this is going to act as support. So my actual number is 1760. 1760. I think that it will stop. A full correction is at 1723. If you use a Fibonacci tool, that's 61.8. But then with the robots, it's been going to 76.4 and a little lower. So anywhere in here it could end, but I think it will end at 1760, or it might even start going up already tomorrow. So that's it. All right, thank you for watching, and we are ending up the month. We ended up the month with a positive of 1470. Good month for us. All right, everyone, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow, December 1st.